Dr. Darien here, and we are talking lung cancer screenings, and a lot of people who are eligible for them actually aren't getting screened.
Almost half. So this is a new update. If you'll remember, in 2021, the United States Preventative Task Force, that's that task force that helps to develop recommendations where we as doctors give to patients, recommended lowering the age group for those who are getting tested or screened for lung cancer. The screening involves what we call a low-dose CAT scan, very quick, very easy, and the rates at 2021 were around 15% of those who needed lung cancer screenings, those who had age in that age group, but also had significant smoking history. It was very low. Over the past couple of years, that has risen, but only up to about 50%. And we still need a lot of work, specifically in rural communities where the access is limited. So in this recommendation, there are also additional recommendations about how to reduce your risk of lung cancer.
So what are some of the other reasons that we should get screened for lung cancer, aside from smoking?
Great question. So the recommendations are if you're 50 or over and you have a significant smoking history, 20 or 30 years or more, or if you've had a significant exposure to secondhand smoke, then those are reasons why you should talk to your doctor about getting screened. Aside from not smoking, aside from eating healthy, sleeping well, one of the other factors here in reducing your risk of lung cancer is getting your home screened for radon. Radon is a radioactive natural gas that's released from rocks, and everyone who lives in a home could be exposed to it. So the cost, it can be as low as $12 if you locate your Department of Health. You can get a radon test at home. You can test your home and understand if you're at risk.
Goodness gracious, something that you would never think to do.
Yeah. You would never think to do it, and it's something where I found out when I read about it. It's the second leading cause of lung cancer outside of smoking. So it's one of those things that's really out there, and we all should be aware of it, especially if you live in a new home. You're making sure that your home gets tested for that, and especially if you're renting a home from someone else, you want to make sure that it's tested as well.
Yeah, as low as $12, that's affordable.
Yeah.
Good advice, too.